system is as a battleground, forged by society, a battleground where millions of young people are trained soldiers, left defenseless to fight a war where they have little chances of even winning. This enemy, this is not enough to fight this war. Not at all.
So I thought Akuma was a school where everything was fast, like your education was very fast. Because I saw somebody their education was very fast. So I thought if I just come to this school, pew pew pew, I'll be done in no time.
Was that it's a village and there's not much, activities going on there except for the students and some other students that have actually graduated and stayed behind.
I saw goats.
The goats are fearless. Fearless goats.
You can stay here in this town like 1 month, you no go see light. Even if dem bring light for night sef na 1 hour before you find charger, find cord, they don comot light.
You see, defenseless. No wonder some forge new parts.
Creative person, I'm an artist, and I've not let the lack of resources or the scarcity of resources in Akungba limit my creativity. For example, I created the black and white art trend, whereby there is always black on the market, there's always black paint on the market, and I realized that I can make use of this black paint to do much more, and it has been awesome. My customers have been requesting for that particular trend, and it's mind-blowing.
As young people, we think we can't do some things, but I was able to push my limitations. I was able to do some things that I thought I could not do. For example, I started voiceover while I was here because I never thought I could do voiceover and stuff like that, but it actually went well. That was where I can say that was where my tech career started.
So, you mean despite all this charade, I can still dream big dreams?
Yes, you can, of course. Dreaming big is your number one responsibility, because if you want to be a great person, you have to dream big. Your dreams cannot be small.
Wow!
For the fact that we have limited resources at a particular place we're at, that doesn't mean we have limited ideas. Ideas are like gifts. They come in, and if you don't take hold of your ideas, they just die off. Now you find yourself in such places. What you need to do is bypass those limitations. Don't focus on those limitations. Remove your entire being away from the situations. Don't even talk about it. Don't join your friends to make jest about it, and see yourself as an agent of change in that particular place at that particular time.
We find light most times in places.
BLW.
BLW,
BLW.
reverse love word.
They made me understand that Christianity is not a religion, it's a way of life.
I've caused a lot of change through BLW, particularly. Christ Embassy BLW has helped me to reach my world and to cause a change, to bring more people to the knowledge of God's word. And doing that, I've had a lot of influences over people, over places, even more than I can imagine.
Like before, I can post anything I want, but now, I post with the mindset that I'm under authority. So I post with the mindset that I'm trying to inspire others positively, not negatively.
Change my mind, change my thinking, change the way I see things, change my perspective about myself, about people, about the world, and even about the school itself. So I decided to not see the school as what it is, but as what it was to do in my life.
Oh yeah, walk. Let's ready go. Yeah, go back. Is this fashion by this one is doing? Yeah, swipe the dress. Say welcome to church.
For this battle, your number one weapon is fire. Fire stands for hunger. Fire stands for passion. Fire stands for the I am that I am. Soldiers, you are now ready to fight this enemy.